What length wheel bolts do I need?
This is the stock bolt, and this is extending wheel bolt. The difference in length between them is the thickness of the spacer that we are going to install. The matching wheel stud use SCM440 steel material. For normal driving, they can easily withstand hundreds of strong shocks and are sufficient to cope with intense racing competitions. This excellent performance from BONOSS professional and dedicated attitudes, as evident by BONOSS logo on each product. Besides, it has achieved ISO standard grade 12.9.
See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.